first outfit is this really beautiful white chicken work kurta. It's just such a classic, beautiful piece. I have worn this so many times I can't even explain. I love it. You need to own this in your wardrobe. It's just elegant, stylish, classic, and also in the next clip, I don't know what is this. Then again, the second outfit is another chicken work. I'm obsessed with chicken work nowadays because I'm seeing it everywhere, and this color is one of my recent favorites in the wardrobe. You need to have it. Also, because this is flared at the end, I paired it up with a flared sharara. You can pair it up with sharara or any other flared pant to make the pattern look really harmonious. And this mirror work jewelry is now my current obsession. I'm pairing it almost with everything, literally everything. Third outfit is another green sharara kurta kind of a set I ordered from Myntra, but I don't like it. I like the jewelries that I'm wearing over here, but this one is a very uncomfortable outfit and I wouldn't recommend it to you. The next one is my go-to comfort outfit. This is an ikat cotton print dress, and it has a really gown kind of a structure from the Bubaj area, but the sleeves are pretty fitting, and that is why it looks you really sexy and elegant. You can ditch the patiala pant if you want to look more scandalous, but I'm not comfortable. Also, it has pockets to carry my phone and my ego. Guess what, I have a second one in a different color and print because I love it so much. It's comfortable, doesn't make me look like a stack of tires, it has a nice structure, at the same time makes you look really sexy. You can ditch the pant and also wear it on its own if you don't want to look scandalous. I don't know, I love it so much. I paired it up with a red lip and the same mirror jewelry and a bold eyes. I'm gonna go for the bold eyes this season. If your goal is to stand out this festive season, then go for an embellished jacket on top of any other monochromatic outfit. This one is a whole set, but I'm sure this kind of embellished jacket will go with any other monochromatic outfit. This sharara kurti set is one of my most comfortable and most favorite lately. This is so soft, I kid you not. You need to try this and touch this to realize how soft this is. And also the color automatically makes it look festive, so you don't really need embellishments. There is a white pattern which is very sparse and subtle. I wanted to try a bandhani print for the first time, and this color was just calling my name. I couldn't resist myself from purchasing this, and it's a straight kurti, so I paired it up with a patiala. I mean, it's a classic combo. For accessories, I went with a really chunky chandwali with mirror work. It's also available on Amazon. And for the lips, I went for red lips and smoky eyes. Again, red lips, smoky eyes are my jam for this wedding season, this festive season. And that's it for today's video. Have a bright and sparkly Diwali, binge on a lot of sweets, enjoy, and as a gift you can just subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.